Okay, so you're basically going to start out in the edit tab, which is here, and drag in your media to the media pool area, which is up here. Find timeline and throw it on there. And I believe what you wanted to do was make, like, say this logo move. Well, there's a way to do it with the anchoring, pitch, and all that. But you can also have this effect, and it's called Mr. Alec Tech. And you can have an in and out transition. Um, let's try that. We'll throw it on top of that. And it brings over this, it adds a fusion tab here. And we can make it do some things like a whip in. Let's see, scale whip a little bit, whip in angle. Let's see what this does. Let's see. See how it whips in. We can whip out with the spin angle. And let's see how it whips out. Ooh, that was like too fast. Let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit as well. Okay, so what we could do is put a, we could put a, I forgot what this is called, but this is a little anchor or time stop. Basically hit this little triangle here, move to where you want the ending point to be. So I'm gonna say about right here. I want that zoom to be now a bigger zoom. So now when I start it, it actually gets bigger, but it's too fast. Let me see if I can slow down this whip. Whip in angle. Let's see. That's just the angle that it comes in at. Whip in spin angle. So it spins at a different angle there, and you could linear basically play with these settings a little bit. Oh, here goes the zoom in control. Zoom in. So now it's actually going to do it for you. So that actually looks a lot better. And you can see there's spin control, there's dissolve control, and aspect control. You can play around with these, the in and out. There's also these settings that change it up a little bit. So we're gonna add 24/7. We wanted it to come in right after the logo, which is basically here. And we're gonna do this the regular way. And we're gonna make this zoom. We're gonna make this zoom out. So you're gonna come to your transform tab here, click the red dot, move it over. Let's say we'll move it over halfway into here, and we'll zoom out. And we also want to make the position change as well. You can see it's already moving. So we want to have the position quickly change. Okay, so we're gonna start it here. We're gonna hit that red button, the white button, so it turns red. We're gonna move it to where we want it, right there at this size. Then we're gonna move the position up here. And we're gonna actually move this Simcoe to be moved up as well. Click on this. Another position timestamp here. Move to the end. It's whipping out. We didn't actually want that. We want it to move up. Delete selected. Okay. Now we're going to redo this here. And we're going to want to just basically allow it to start here and move up to the very top over here so we can recreate this image. So we're going to put the position and the zoom here, and we want it to about right here before the other one be in position. Okay, so it looks like, what if we brought it over here? Oops. Closer over here. Alright. Now you see how it moves there? How that moves. Okay, let's just say we wanted to add some effects to this logo coming in. We can come over to this Open Effects, Filters, Resolve Effects tab, and say if we wanted to have some ripples, we can hover over here and drag it on top of that, and now it's got a ripple in that. If we wanted to take it away, we can split this here, and then we could take the effects off of this here. So now it's in the beginning and it goes away. They have a camera shake. Let's see how long it shakes. See, so basically you can do that, and to add the overlays effects, you can get like smoke, things of that nature, but you can basically add these effects to anything. Say if I added it to the video, now it actually puts some vortex on the video. You can toggle it back off up here. Just say we wanted it to be wavy as well for the first part of the video. So now we get these little effects. Oh, wait. I actually had two. Actually got two. And now we can also do these video transitions here. So um, when you when they do transition to a different shape, it kind of looks a little bit smoother. And we'll do one here as well. Also, nowadays we're gonna want to basically put everything into a format for phones. So you go to project settings and just hit use vertical resolution, save. Now everything will be in the vertical resolution. The only thing here is we're gonna have to, oh, actually, there we go. I had to zoom out a little bit. You can zoom out a little bit to see your entire screen. And now we're gonna have to adjust the Simcoe a bit, the logo a bit again. It should be fine if I reposition it here. Zoom out a little bit. Same thing with this one. Okay, now we're back and bam. Here, effects. And now this swing. So it's effect.